When you are building a small company, keeping track of everyone often turns into a massive juggling act behind the scenes. You need a clear window into daily tasks, project budgets, and how your group really utilizes their time each afternoon. That brings us to our look at Insightful, a user-friendly system built to take the pain out of employee coordination and basic team reporting with real numbers. We will go through the features together to figure out how this application handles your everyday business goals. First, we have to set up our company profile inside the tool. When you first open your new account, the app will ask for basic facts like the kind of work you do and how many people are on your payroll. This matters a lot because it lets the tool change its setup to match the exact size of your business. One of the biggest choices you must make right now is deciding if your workers are using computers owned by the company or their own personal home laptops. This choice completely changes how the tracking tool acts on those actual machines. For company-owned computers, you can let the tool show up clearly on the screen so workers see the clock, or you can hide it completely so it runs silently in the back. If you choose the hidden setup, the tool watches computer actions and working hours automatically based on when the machine is turned on and being used. But we always tell people to check local privacy laws before turning on that secret hidden mode. If your workers are using their own personal laptops, the clock tool stays completely visible on their screen, which gives them full control to press start and stop on their own. Once you finish fixing these settings, you can start putting your workers into the system. You do this by simply typing in their real names and email addresses. The tool sends them an automatic link to download the setup file. If you do not want to bring in your whole team just yet, you can easily install the app on your own computer first to see how the main pages look. It is a very basic process that any business can handle without hiring a special computer tech team to get it running. Now that the basic setup is finished, we have to look at how we actually keep track of the hours we spend on our company goals. Checking your time in this application is not just about using a simple timer, it's about matching your daily work to the right projects and tasks. We can set up these new projects right on the main screen by clicking the Add New Project button. Or if we use other apps to manage our work, we can connect them instantly with a simple link. As soon as our projects are ready, we can put in our hourly billing rates. This is great for us because it means the computer will automatically figure out our earnings based on the hours the team puts in. We can set these prices for the whole project or for each specific worker. At the same time, we can enter our employee pay rates to see exactly how much money we are spending to finish the job. To begin tracking, the team just opens a small app on their computer screen, picks the project and task they're working on, and clicks the Start button. If someone misses the timer, which we know happens from time to time, they can easily type in those hours by hand later for things like team meetings or working outside the office. This gives us a perfectly clear look at our actual profits while the work is happening. We can see our income right next to our labor costs, which helps us notice right away if a project is making money or if we're spending too much. It changes simple hours into real useful numbers for our business. Once we have that timing data, we need a clear way to see what kind of work is actually helping our business grow. That's exactly why this software uses a simple system called productivity labeling. It lets us put every website or app into 3 buckets: productive, unproductive, or neutral. We know a tool that helps one worker might completely distract another, so the system lets us set up different rules for different teams. Social media might be perfect for your marketing crew, but it's just a distraction for your engineering team. To make setting this up easy, you get a couple of helpful tools. You can use the recommendation feature, where the system watches what people use and suggests the best bucket for you to approve. Or if you want the system to do the heavy lifting, you can turn on auto-labeling. This uses AI to look at how your industry operates and what choices you made in the past to sort new apps the second they appear. It keeps your data completely accurate without you ever having to check check every single link your team clicks. When these rules are live, the software sorts all computer time completely on its own. This gives you a true look at the workday instead of just telling you a screen was turned on. It makes it easy to see if your people have the right tools or if digital distractions are slowing them down. After putting jobs into groups, the program puts all that information into clear timesheets. These papers are the most important part of our worker planning because they show much more than just when people start and stop working. When you open a sheet, you see the time broken down into a few clear parts. Office time means the whole time between typing in and typing out, while screen time shows how much of that day someone spent using their machine. The program also watches quiet time, which happens when the machine stays turned on but nobody touches it, and rest time for when workers take a short break. Because we already set up our helpfulness tags, the sheets show us the exact divide between helpful, unhelpful, and normal hours. This gives us a helpfulness score for every single workday. If the program runs secretly on company computers, these sheets are made completely by themselves just by watching machine use. For example, the tool can turn a worker off if the machine sits still for more than 4 hours, but you can change that number in the options menu. Team leaders only see the people they look after, while top bosses can look at every person in the company. It's an easy way to manage pay and work checks in one place, showing who finishes their jobs and who has too much to do.
Real-time insights. While timesheets provide an excellent retrospective view of the workweek, managing a team effectively requires immediate visibility into daily operations. The Real-Time Insights dashboard serves as a live operational map for your organization. With a quick check, you can monitor the exact number of active employees and verify if their current focus aligns with company priorities. This interface displays each team member alongside their real-time operational status and a color-coded categorization system for active applications. Green signifies productive platforms, red denotes counterproductive sites, and gray represents neutral tools. This data proves essential for balancing workloads across departments. When the dashboard indicates an individual has been idle during active hours, leadership can proactively offer support or address potential workflow blockers. Furthermore, integrating this system with project tracking reveals the precise assignment a worker is handling at any given second. For managers requiring deeper operational context, an optional premium feature enables instant on-demand screen captures. A centralized search function allows users to filter the dashboard by specific teams or initiatives, keeping high-level management structured and efficient. To facilitate reporting, the visible columns can be tailored to specific metrics and downloaded instantly as a standardized CSV file.
So far, Insightful gives small businesses the simple view they need to build up without losing sight of how workers feel. It stops bosses from looking over shoulders and switches to simple facts instead. If you want to stop guessing and make your office run better, we think you should use this tool. Look at the description down here, try it for free starting right now, and see how simple details help your shop. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.